Hey Gemini, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Alright, I'm going to tell you guys what I'm hearing so far. Like, y'all know I just said it can go, you know, vice versa or reverse. I keep hearing Gemini, so I'm going to be honest with y'all. There's a Gemini that's doing this, what I'm getting ready to tell y'all, to someone else. So basically, cross-watch if you're dealing with a Gemini. I feel like this is what's going on. Now, for others of you, yes, you're a Gemini. You could be dealing with someone else that is putting you in this situation. But basically, what I'm seeing here is there's somebody that wants to have like some type of heart-to-heart conversation with you. Like, they want to talk to you about their feelings, their hopes, you know, the two of you moving forward, plans, wishes, all of that, right? The thing is, I don't really trust this person, okay? I feel like this person is trying to hold on to you. It's not good. The fact that I'm seeing deception, unrequited love, pay attention to the red flags, and then bottom of the deck, give your relationship a chance. Yeah, they're wanting you to give them a chance, but there's still something off with them. You get what I'm saying? And it's a no. This is a no for me. I don't even like this. So I'm hoping it'll turn around a little bit, but I don't even feel like whatever they're trying to say to you, if it hasn't already been said, don't trust it. Because they're still being sneaky. Somebody's still being deceptive. So, let's see. That's real. What's going on, my Geminis? Bottom of the deck, I have the Chariot reversed. So, overall, somebody's not moving forward. Let's see. There's the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, but even though someone's not moving forward, I feel like there's an end to a cycle and they're wanting to start something new with you. Look at that, I got another 10. But they got to end a situation first. Maybe this person's afraid that you're going to let them go. If they come back towards you and, you know, tell you that they want... Ooh! You see what I'm saying? They're 10, 10, 10. Y'all, that is a huge angel number, okay? Starting off. So... Hold on, y'all. I gotta calm down. I gotta calm down. Okay, so... Wow. Okay, this is the thing. These two 10s right here, they signify endings. This person wants to move forward with you, but they feel like it's not gonna happen. There's a completion here. So let's see. Let's see. I'm still not feeling this person, but let's just see how this plays out. Okay, yeah, see, this person could have been juggling in the past. For some of you, I feel like they're just trying to make a decision right now. See, there's the Hierophant reverse. You could have been dealing with a Taurus. This person, okay, come on now. Hold on. Okay, so this person, I feel like somebody could have been trying to make a decision whether or not, you know what I'm saying, to stay in a relationship. But because of this, they could be getting out of a relationship, ending some type of commitment, marriage, whatever it is. You know, I feel like somebody could be isolating themselves, you know, because ultimately in their life they want to have a victory. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here. Yeah, see, somebody's cutting communication. Somebody's not talking. Yeah, could be dealing with an Aquarius. This person definitely wants to heal things with you. Because they want a new beginning. They gotta make it. I don't trust it. I still don't trust this person. I feel like this person, in the past, they had a lot of decisions. Like, they had different options, you know. And now they're trying to pick and choose. Okay, what should I do? Who should I deal with? See, there was a third party. I told you. I'm not feeling this person. I'm not feeling it. Like, now it's like that this person wants to be confident. They want to come back in to make things right. But see how this 10 aligns with the other ones? It's like, it's a no. There's something that's not right. Like, there's something that's not balanced here. Could be their money, but it's something else. Yeah, they're trying to come out of being frustrated. And see, the Knight of Wands is trying to jump out of my hands. This person's a player. This person was definitely being a player. And see, they don't want you to cut them off. But they're back and forth with the Knight of Swords. I feel
feel like there was a lot of harsh communication. Yeah, there was definitely communication here, and this person could have said things to you, done things to you, you know, and this is why they're moving slow to come back in, because they do want to talk to you. See, they want things to improve with you, okay? But somebody may have had to get out of a family situation, or maybe you have a family with this person, but regardless, they're like, okay, I don't see how this is going to work, you know, because, see, they did leave you hanging. They left you out in the cold, and they want to make it right, so they're making a decision, and they're confident about this decision. Gemini, you could be dealing with another Gemini. There's no balance here, and see, it's like this person's having a hard time. Oh, okay, come on out. Yeah, they're having a hard time because right now it's like they're not moving forward with you. Knight of Wands. I feel like they want to rush in and say something to you, but I'm telling you, this person is a player. See, and they feel like you're not going to take their offer. They feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. They're not happy. Does somebody have a child with someone else? Because right now they're stuck. Look at that, 11-11. Yeah, they're frustrated. It's like they lost you for good. They're not listening to their intuition. Okay, let's look. I have 2 5s here. Whoever this is, they can't make up their minds to save their life, because this person, either they're codependent to you, or they're in a codependent situation with someone else that could be very controlling, you know, and this is why there's no stability. And I feel like they're coming out of the things that they did to you in the past, and it's like they want to give you an offer, but they're like, okay, I don't see how that's going to work. I don't see things improving. Maybe something's up with my finances. See, it's like I don't have a peace of mind when it comes to my finances, and it's like I can't move forward with you. But I'm seeing they want to tell you the truth about how they're feeling and what's been going on. Why is everything bouncing on my hand today? See, they want to tell you the truth about this third party situation. They want to tell you they put an end to it. Somebody could, I'm just skipping a sign. Sorry, y'all. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. I have a Pisces and a Scorpio. Yep, but they're back and forth. They want a new opportunity with you, but they're like, okay, I don't know if it's going to happen, because they're afraid of what you're going to say. It's like somebody is coming off really cold and harsh because this person was being really sneaky in the past. And the way that card came out, it's like they want to make changes, but see, now they feel like you're going to end up walking away from them. Good Lord. Okay, let me see. Okay, so they're going to have the strength to clear away obstacles, because they want a new, they want a new beginning. Ooh, that card was hiding. Okay, so hold on. They want a new beginning with you. Didn't even see that. Okay, there's an offer coming in. 2 of Cups. They want to be with you. This is a relationship. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. That was hidden. So I feel like what's being hidden from you is them telling you, I want to be with you. Maybe for some of you, this person was hiding the fact that they gave somebody else an offer. Tell me more. Yeah, they're moving slow. This is going to take some time. See? Look at that. They want a happy home with you, but I'm seeing justice here. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Tell me more. They're wanting to know how you feel about them. They do feel like you don't want to put any more energy into them. See, they have a hard time opening up. See what I'm saying? There's another woman here. I got 2 queens. So, for some of you, this could be like a soulmate situation, but the thing is, there's still somebody else in the picture. You know, whether it's friends, family, a love interest, whoever. And this is the problem. This is why this person's not being positive. You know, that's what I'm telling you. It's like they're wanting to talk to you about what it is that they want to have with you, but they're still entertaining someone else. And this is why you're not getting the offer just yet. See, so they're making a decision to communicate to you, but they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. See, there's another woman. See what I'm saying? It's like there's a mother or some type of mother figure here, and see the devil jumped on top of her reverse. This person, your person, the person you've been dealing with, they got to walk away from this person. This person is toxic, but the thing is, they know if they walk away from her, they're going to have to pay up. They're going to have to give to her. See, 2 6s, they might have a family with this person, or this is a family member, you know, and they're going to have to do that in order to free themselves from this situation. So I feel like if you're not already talking to this person's getting ready to come in. They're going to tell you, you know, what it is that they want with you. But what they're not telling you is they're secretly still talking to someone else that they might have a child with, or they already have a family with, or they're still secretly helping this person under the table. There's something that they're hiding from you, and that's the problem. So it's like, even though they're coming out of being frustrated, I'm seeing that right now they're like, okay, I don't see things improving. It's money. It's their money. It's their money. Somebody has a child with somebody else. That's definitely what I'm picking up on. And it's like they can't move forward just yet. Or they're afraid to move forward because of what this person may do. Whether or not they go to court or not. If they have a child, of course they're going to take care of their child. But they're afraid, okay, if I leave, I'm not going to be financially stable because I take care of a lot. See? So, I don't know if I missed it. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But see, there's no balance right now. And they're saying they want to balance things out with you. They're hoping to move forward with you. Yeah, see? Look, they want to turn things around. Y'all, I'm shaking my head. Alright, yeah, let me give y'all some advice because I do feel like you guys do have a connection. I'm not going to take that away. I do feel like there's a connection here. I do feel like you wanted to have a commitment with this person. You want to move forward. But with all that nonsense, you're like, See? Balance. Your angels are stepping in, trying to help restore some type of balance. Because, see, you guys have been in your head a lot. You guys have been frustrated. Some of you have been overthinking things. And maybe for some of you, you've been keeping a very close eye on this person. Maybe you've been putting on your FBI hat. You know what I'm saying? Your PI hat. Trying to see what's been going on. You're watching them. Because especially if they came back in trying to tell you, oh, I want to move forward with you. And you're like, all right, I'm going to check behind you. You know, y'all are watching. So they're saying that you got to make a decision. And the way that these cards came out, I mean, this is back and forth energy all day. Look at this. See what I'm saying? It's like you're in your head. It's like you're trying not to be, but you guys are definitely overthinking things, you know, because this person did leave you out in the cold. And it's like, I do see you coming out of being frustrated because you're realizing, okay, I don't really think that things are going to turn around and work out in my favor with this person. So this is why you're deciding to just put the work back into yourself. Yeah, see, I told you, you're coming out of being frustrated. You're focusing on yourself. I told you, you guys have been healing. You guys are definitely healing right now. You're not letting this person get to you. But you're not positive about them either. You know? It's like you wouldn't mind things working out, but you're starting to feel like you're not going to have a victory. Back and forth. See, it's like 1 minute you want to have a commitment with this person, but you're starting to feel like it's not going to happen. There's no balance. I told you, there's no balance here. It's like, I'm not feeling this. So right now, Spirit is saying they just want you to focus on you and continue healing. Because you may shut off communication with this person. Or if you're not already talking, it's just like you guys are just not really speaking. You know, this person definitely had you waiting around. And see, you guys have been just, I feel like you've been talking to your friends. You've just been kind of just focusing on you, just getting help, getting advice. But, you know, you're keeping your head held high. You're staying positive. But look at that, 9 of Pentacles. You had to free yourself. The fact that I have the Queen of Wands here and there's another Queen right here, I'm telling you, there's somebody else still in the mix. Whether I have 2 women, it could be 2 men, but you're freeing yourself. You're like, I'm not dealing with this nonsense. See, look at that. You're taking a leap. I'm no longer the fool. I'm gone. I'm not doing this. I told you, I'm not buying this. Whatever they selling, I ain't buying it, okay?